now to big news that we're tracking as far as the Indian Railways cracking the whip is concerned. The RPF files FIR at various locations. Let's tell you, the railway promises action against vandals. And we're looking at, of course, several such shocking videos that had come to light. This one from Bihar, in fact. Now, action against those who vandalize trains. We've been looking at multiple such instances coming to light. Now, the CCTV footage scanned to identify the culprits. Earlier, the train vandalism videos went viral. One that you're looking at on your screens at the moment, reported just a few days back. Shocking incident, in fact. And I'm given to understand that Sabyasachi is joining me for more on that. Sabyasachi, good morning. जहाँ तक सवाल है इन इंसिडेंट्स का जो हम प्ले भी कर रहे हैं इस वक्त काफ़ी शॉकिंग थे और इसीलिए ये एक्शन लिया जा रहा है. और I beg your pardon, Sabyasachi, if you could go ahead and tell us with the fact that we've seen multiple such instances coming to the light, you know, from various aspects, and these have been instances wherein people have also got injured.
Well, that's right. Tension flared on Monday evening at the Samastipur railway station and the Madhubani railway station, where the pilgrims who wanted to travel to Prayagraj, they started vandalizing the Swatantra Express. Now, looking at this incident and various past incident that has happened recently, now the Railway Protection Force has said that various FIRs has been registered against unidentified people in various locations, and the Railways is also looking at the various CCTV footages from different locations to identify these pilgrims. Now, the railway says that strict action will be taken against those who will be identified causing vandalism to the railways. Now, we have seen that several passengers, in fact, suffered injuries after the video went viral. Now, this is not the first incident that we had seen that happened on Monday evening, where the pilgrims started vandalizing the Swatantra Express in Madhubani railway station and in other railway stations. So clearly a big action from the railways, and the Railway Protection Force says that they are looking into this matter very seriously, and as of now 4 people have been detained by the Railway Protection Force, and they are also looking at the other CCTV footages to identify these pilgrims as soon as possible. And also a stern warning has been issued to the pilgrims that if they try to vandalize the railways, then strict action will be taken against them.
All right, Sabyasachi, I appreciate you getting us more details as far as that is concerned, and also what action has been taken in regards to these incidents. But for the moment, we leave it at that. Thank you very much. We're also slipping a quick break here on the big story. Stay with us. Our special Superfast News coming up on the other side.